Good morning, children. Once again, welcome back to maths class. In today's class, I am going to explain about comparisons of number and ascending and descending. How to write the given number in ascending order as well as descending order. But first, we will learn about the comparison of numbers. How to compare the given two numbers. Which one is smaller, which one is bigger, or which two numbers are equal. But before that, I will explain one thing that is important in the comparison of the given numbers. See, this is 9, this is 28, this is 314, this is 284. See, this is called single digit number. See, only one number is given. That means this is called single digit number. See, two numbers are given in 28. That means this is called double digit number. Double digit number. Now, 3, 1, 2. It means how many number is there? 1, 2, 3. So this is called three digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, how many number is given? 4 number is given. So this is called 4 digit number. This is called single digit number. This is called double digit number. This is called 3 digit number, and this is called 4 digit number. So what we have to keep in mind? We have to keep in mind that this single digit number is smaller than 2 digit number. This double digit number is smaller than 3 digit number. And this 3 digit number will be smaller than 4 digit number. So, in comparison of number, first we have to decide how many digits are given in the number. If it is single digit, if one number is given, that means it is called single digit number. If 2 digit is given, that is called 2 digit number or double digit number. This is called 3 digit number. This is called 4 digit number. So, which out of these four, which one is bigger? See, this 4 digit number is bigger than 3 digit number, 2 digit number, and single digit number. So, always keep in mind the bigger digit number will be bigger than a smaller digit number. So, in comparison of number, first we have to find out the number of digits given in the numbers. Now, look here, question is write this symbol in the given boxes. See, these are what boxes in which you have to put this sign, and this sign. If both number are equal, then you have to put equal sign. And see, the number, see, this is 8 and 9. Suppose you have to put the sign. See, first what we have to check the number of digits in the given number. See, this is single digit number. This is also single digit number. Both are single digit number. Then what we have to check? Check the number. See, this is 8 and this is 9. So 9 is bigger than 8. So what we have to do? We have to put the correct sign. See, this arrow head indicate the smaller number, and the tail of this arrow indicate what? The bigger number. Arrowhead indicate the smaller number, and these two tails of the arrowhead indicate the bigger number. So 9 is bigger than 8. Understood? Now let's move to the question. See, 1, 2. How many digits is there? 2. So write here 2. Again here also 1, 2. 2 digit number is there. Now both are 2 digit number. Then what we have to check? We have to check the number given. See, the number in the tens place is 7. Here also the number in the tens place is 7. Both are same. Now check the number in the unit place. This is 6 and this is 0. So which one is bigger? 6 is bigger. That means 76 is bigger than 70. So this arrowhead indicates the smaller one, and this tail indicates the bigger one. Hope you all have understood how to put the given sign in these boxes. These are called comparison of two numbers. To compare which one is bigger, which one is smaller, or which two given number is same. Now check the second one. See, this is also two digit number, this is also two digit number. This is 5, this is 5, both are same. Now this is 5, this is 2. So 2 is smaller than 5. So this 55 is bigger than 52. Now let's move to third one. Now this is also second digit number. That means two digit number, and this is also two digit number. Now first one is 5, second one is 4. So 5 is bigger than 4. So this one will be bigger. Now this is also two digit number. This is also two digit number. Now the first number is 3, and here the first number is 2. Which one is bigger? 3 is bigger than 2. So 35 is bigger than 25. Now see the fifth one. See 1, 2, 3. This is 3 digit number. 1, 2. This is 2 digit number. Now no need to check the number. It is already decided that 3 digit number will be bigger than 2 digit number. So no need to check the number. See 3 digit. This is 3 digit. This is 2 digit number. 3 digit number will be greater than 2 digit number. So 283 will be greater than 69. Now this is 2 digit number. This is also 2 digit number. Now this is 7. This is also 7. Both are same. Now this is 1. This is also 1. That means both number are equal. That means 71 and 71. Both are what? Both are same. That means you have to put equal sign. Now next question, last question. This is single digit number, and this is double digit number. Always keep in mind, double digit number, two digit number is always greater than single digit number. So this 27 will be greater than 7. In this way we can compare the given two numbers. Hope you all have understood the comparison of numbers. Thank you.